Hey guys, so I'm back with another episode of Loki. I hope you guys will forgive me a bit because I've had a long day and it seems like I have more work. I am a bit exhausted. I've had a long day, so I hope you'll forgive me for not being as energetic. And I also would like to thank you guys because you really stuck around for so long. And when I restarted the channel, I was kind of expecting like 10, 12 views. Yeah, I was expecting the bare minimum. But there's many of you who watch on a regular basis, and I'm very grateful for that. Also, one more thing, I've started a Patreon. So if you want to watch uncut versions of these videos and also watch them slightly earlier than on YouTube, then you can subscribe and be a patron. And also, if you would like to support the channel in general, it really helps if you become a patron. No pressure, you don't have to do it if you don't want to. But I'll leave a link in the description. If you enjoy the video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications. And with that being said, let's watch Loki. So I remember in the last episode we didn't really get that much character development for the new Loki, but we got some nice scenes, and I think those were my favorite scenes in the show so far. So I'm excited what they'll do next. I've seen the trailer for this one, so I know that they are gonna explore Loki's past, the female Loki's past. Might be interesting. Let's see. Asgard.
Dragon swoops towards the palace.
So she is from Asgard.
Beats the dragon, saying that
What the?
There's Valerian.
What?
On the authority of the Timekeepers, I hereby arrest you for crimes against the sacred timeline.
She didn't even do anything. Is this why she's pissed? They took her as a child? If I'm not mistaken, the person escorting her, she is the one who is kind of like the judge in episode 1. And she got a promotion. That quick, huh? That quick. Oh, yes, I was right. That quick? That seemed a little too quick. Oh,
Under the best of circumstances, it's jarring to stand before the Timekeepers. And this is not the best of circumstances.
Yeah, but they can't blame
They can.
so they had to kill her?
you. Get it? She's okay. She's fine.
At first, yes. But by the time she got in here, she could barely speak.
They're bullshitting.
The decline was steeper after that.
That's wrong.
Nobody does.
They're lying. They're lying. They killed her. They killed Hunter C20. Because I think after she got enchanted, she started figuring out that the Timekeepers are keeping her imprisoned, and she was actually back, a civilian back from Earth, and that's why they had to kill her. Or maybe the fact that she's dead is also a lie, and they're keeping her imprisoned or re-brainwashing her, something like that. Look at these shots. So cool. So cool.
I'm sorry.
I remember Asgard. Not much, but I remember. My home. My people.
That could break reality. It's breaking my reality right now.
You're all variants. Everyone who works at the TVA. The Timekeepers didn't create you, they kidnapped you from the timeline.
Tell her about that C20, Hunter C20. She's... yeah. He needs one connection point.
That was good. You two, what a pair. Gosh. Unbelievable work.
Loki knows about that girl, right? Yeah, she can't deal with this shit. Yeah, it's troubling her. Because remember, Loki, the female Loki took over her mind also for a bit. She's having some kind of PTSD. She's figuring things out.
When did you first notice what was going on with Superman?
Mobius, what is going on with you?
He's asking the right questions.
The timekeepers are happy. Mission accomplished.
He knows. Yup. She also suspects that he knows. It's a lot of trust right there. Imagine the kind of 180. Remember her character in episode 1? She has a nice arc.
Down there, I went to that bar. I had friends. I had a whole life on a sacred timeline. Calm down, I'm variant.
Do you swear she didn't implant those memories in Mercy 20? Mobius, no, I believe her. You could be whatever you want to be. Even someone good. Go if I can go anywhere. Wherever it is I'm really from.
Can't believe they killed Owen Wilson, man. This woman, I actually know people like her in my life. I'm sure you do. Ruthless to another level. Always watching for their own back.
I don't know her.
Oh no, I don't think you believe that. I think you're scared.
They are robots.
This is new for me.
You're gonna tell me everything.
I'm so surprised. See, nowadays every show is so friggin' predictable. I really love this show because it really keeps me guessing. Even though I figured out some of the plot beats, because we are so exposed to different kinds of stories these days, it's become very difficult to surprise your audience. But this show is doing a bang up job. I have another theory. So, because Loki is supposedly gone, and I think he's gonna come back, there's also the possibility that Mobius might come back. Because fucking car. I'll let the car go. But knowing this show, Loki probably won't be back the next episode. Like, he's gonna be gone for some time. And I think Sylvie is an interesting enough character to have her own sort of episode where she is holding the reins. I'm happy that I guessed what happened with Hunter B-15. I'm really happy for her character. The timekeepers are robots? What? What's up with that? Is Galactus really controlling everything? Because there's a lot of speculation about who's going to be the big bad after Thanos. And a lot of people think it's going to be Galactus or Doctor Doom or something like that. I don't see Doctor Doom controlling people on an intergalactic level. The only person who comes to mind is Galactus. but you never know. There might be some other villains that we don't know about, because the comics are very extensive. Marvel comics have been around since the 60s, right? Late 50s. So you never know how things are going to pan out. The writers of this show have an infinite number of stories to tap into, what they can that they can use as source material. And I'm rambling a bit. I really love this episode. Solid 10 out of 10. And this is my favorite episode so far, hands down.
This is hell. Am I dead?
The Avengers? I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll mention my Patreon page again, because I really need some patrons to get things moving. But thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.